Attorney, if you're convicted in the lower court and on appeal, your penalty was reduced to imprisonment, which is probationable, can you still apply for probation? Nindot niya ang question, no? So, for example, na-convicted ang usa ka akusado sa RTC o niya ang penalty is 12 years. Then, ni-appeal siya. Pag-abot sa Court of Appeals, gipamove-an ang iyang penalty to 6 years na lang and below. So by the way, sa probation, maka-avail rang akusadong probation if ang penalty imposed is 6 years and below, okay? So ang tubag sa iyang pangutana is yes, maka-avail ka kung ang imuhang penalty is gipaubsan on appeal, okay? Ang atuang legal basis ani no is mismo ang probation law or PD 968 as amended by RA 10707. So under this law, particularly Section 4, ang iyang proviso clause that when a judgment of conviction imposing a non-probationable penalty is appealed or reviewed, and such judgment is modified through the imposition of a probationable penalty, the defendant shall be allowed to apply for probation based on the modified decision before such decision becomes final. So, if on appeal, na-reduce ang imuhang penalty and ang penalty imposable is, ang imposed penalty is 6 years below, then pwede na ka maka-avail of penalty o probation. Okay, so I hope that's clear. And that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.